What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. First call here, what we got rocking and rolling is we're going to a call where they say the system will just run and run and run and it won't shut off. So let's get there, figure out what's going on. But first, apologies for the hiatus. It's been busy, and I say this a lot when I get on here, because I do take long breaks, because I get so fixated on work, and there could be good content, good value, good scenarios that I come across that I could be displaying to you guys, help people out. Just pure entertainment is what I'm here for, because I'm not the best technician. So I apologize for that. I'll try to be more consistent. I can't guarantee anything. Just been, when I get on a call, man, I'll start to record. I got clips galore, and then I start like saying screw it and just focusing on work. I hope y'all understand that. I sure do appreciate y'all that stay tuned, watch the videos, like the videos, comment, man. I enjoy interacting. I enjoy making the videos as well, and trying to make it cool and fun and funny and be goofy, because honestly, when I'm on a job site and if I have somebody with me, I think I'm a hoot. So basically, you guys are my co-workers as it is. So, but anyways, we got this call. It won't stop running. So let's get there, see what's going on with the system, figure it out, get them fixed, hopefully, and smash the like button. Non-stop running. This one, all right, looks like it may have just came on. It's not sweating like crazy. This one has been off, okay, and okay, here we go. I'm working in 84, so that's 80, cool. I'm gonna go here, because the end one should be bigger. So, well, that says 80, so I'm gonna guess this is 84 if that one's written. Yep. So this middle guy, Heather, and all right, cool. It's a little tiny guy, 4 years old. So, okay. Let's see if just, well, this is gonna kill the power for sure. They had the breakers off. Okay, cool. Get my tools, poke our head in there. Take a look here, see what we got going on. See if we see anything goofy. Look at that. All right. So we got that going on for us. Man, oh man. Got it like that on there too. Jesus. All right, I'll bury that back up. So there could be something to say on that. Have that, and let's see what happens. Okay, so that's that operates properly. I can just do this because they ain't had it running, so it's unplugged. All right, we got a bed module too. Right now, oh god, the flashlight's on. What I'm doing right now is I'm checking the see if this condenser kicked right on. If it's off, we may be okay. I'm not stat, but yeah, it's off. So it's actually just gonna be that that ECM motor right there. That's gonna be the issue. See, click. Yeah. See. So it's in a time delay, but yeah, you know, we bury these wires. Back up this shitty shit. So, yeah. What I'll also do is I'll fire it back up to make sure the pressures are good and there's nothing else. That way we can always check the whole system. That way when we come back and repair the motor, something else doesn't arise and we can at least let the customer know now. You know what I'm saying? And it's just the module and the motor. System's under warranty. Get the whole motor. Boom. Carrier has it. They're 20 minutes away. Let's go pick it up. Slam it in. Beautiful. Yeah. All right, comes with this new piggyback. Got that there, tied in, carriers 4 and 2, good to go. Good and tight, we'll zip tie it. Good and tight there. Perfect, perfect. We'll cycle it on a couple times just to make sure, and then clean up. There it is. Get in here to our fan. Just gonna turn it on. And there she goes. And now we'll just turn it back to auto. Usually on carriers, 90-second delay. 2. And like that, that'll conclude today's video. Easy, simple. Y'all know, man, it's one of the more frequent service calls I go on and failures. I think I'm gonna start just really tracking the logs. I track how many calls I run a year, all that good stuff, plus the CRM that I use tracks it all for me. But I'd like to break it down per like capacitor, drain line, motor, damper, compressor, leak, yada yada, and just see the percentage. That would be pretty interesting. So I think I'm gonna start doing that and have a really good breakdown. That way I can be like, hey, this is how many calls I ran this year. This is what the average time per call was, cost, this, that, and the third. If that interests you, please let me know down below. If not, I'll probably still do it, hopefully. I wanna kind of transition the content, and not really transition it, but like, that's just a stupid word to use these days. I like to evolve my content to incorporate things like that, where, you know, there's some behind the scenes things, some back, like turning the page a little bit. Anyways, I'll ramble on and I'll talk about it. One thing you could do is we have the HVAC Nights podcast live stream show that we do on Thursdays. We all try to be there. It's me, it's Adrian from Reliable HVACR, and the big homie Curtis from HVAC Guy. We just get on there, we shoot the shit. It'll pertain to work, some calls, customers. We really just bullshit. We let the hair down, man. We don't try to be like, hey, you know, what's this? Nah, dude, like, it's real world scenarios. We curse because, you know, that's how humans interact in the real world. If you know what that's from, comment down below. But join us for that show, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, got something out of it. If you could, look at this shit, look. Fucking everybody just put a little pile up, like, he ran up on there because, you know, not paying attention. If you could, smash the like button. Consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Later. Truck's a mess!